Today's world news. Former US President Donald Trump says he may add new taxes on goods from some European countries. Countries like the United Kingdom, Denmark, France, Germany, Sweden, and the Netherlands could be affected. Trump says these new taxes may start at 10% in February. Later, they could increase to 25% in June. He says this decision is linked to trade problems and a disagreement involving Greenland. Earlier, the United States and the European Union agreed on a trade deal. Under that deal, many European goods had a 15% tax. However, some products like steel and aluminium still have high taxes. Experts say these new taxes could make products more expensive for people in many countries. That's today's news. Thank you for listening.